and Stampin.com. I'm excited you're here with me because I want to show you the new Stampin' Up! Online store. It is beautiful. They have done such a good job. So if you aren't familiar with this and you haven't seen it yet, when you go to StampinUp.com, this is what it looks like now. So they've changed it up. They've made it more interactive. It's super fun and easy to navigate, really easy to order from your mobile, everything like that. So the first thing I wanted to bring your attention to is if you're already a customer of mine and you're having any trouble logging in, please, you can contact Stampin' Up! Directly at 1-800-782-6787, and I will also provide that phone number below this video. But if you're a customer, I just really want to quickly show you. You click sign in, and then you can click, and if you have a memory in your email, great. But if you don't have it where your computer saves your information, then you're going to need to type your email address in and type in your password. If you don't remember those, you are welcome to go to Stampin' Up! Directly and call them, or you can click that little link that said forgot password and it will send you a new password. Now, previously when you logged in, you could see right at the top that you were shopping with me. One of the things that you could verify is if you click to purchase, for one thing, you can see I just hover here and it's going to give me a drop down of all the beautiful items available in the store. So we're just going to go to bundle savings, and then let's just go down, and actually, why don't we look at some brand new products that were just released, what's new, and we can go here to the new August-December 2020 mini catalog, and you can see all the beautiful products here. I just love how well this is laid out. It's just gorgeous. So let's say we wanted to purchase the Trimming the Town suite. We can click there and add it to the cart, or I believe, let's go back. I want to double check that this works. You can do quick shop, and that will just take you, boom, right here, add to cart. And then after it's added to the cart, it goes off the screen so that you can continue shopping. So, let's see, we have filtering elements over here if you're wanting to look for certain things. There is a search bar up at the top. Of course, if you wanted to join my team, you can click join. Now, let's verify that we're shopping with the right person. So this is a really important step if you want to get in on my giveaways and my free gifts. So once we get to our shopping cart, you can add your host code here over on the right side, type it in, click apply. You can use coupon codes here, enter them there, click apply, and then we're going to go through to checkout. Now I want to see who I am shopping with. So we're going to, oh goodness, I don't know if it's going to let me go any further. Okay. So what I can do, it's not going to let me go further without putting in a payment. And I don't really want to buy this because I already purchased it, frankly. So we're going to go back out, and we're going to click up here where it says my name, Hello Wendy. Now the reason it says Hello Wendy is because I've logged in with my email address into the customer shopping center. So we click Hello Wendy, you go to account settings, and then from here, you can see all the different information that you need to see. So if I click demonstrator, it's going to show here all the different demonstrators that possibly I have shopped with at one time or another. And of course, my name is here first. So preferred demonstrator, and all you have to do to make a different demonstrator your preferred demonstrator is click make preferred demonstrator, and they jump to the next spot. So that's how you shop with different demonstrators. You can click here to look at your orders, my lists. So there's an area where you can save a list of things that are your favorite, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So let's just go to adhesives, and we'll scroll down, And let's say these are my favorites. So I can create a new list and say adhesive faves, create new list. And now I can save it here under my adhesive faves. So if I love the black rhinestones, again, then I click there, and now I've got them saved in my list. So when I go to my account or go to my lists, here they are already saved. So you could create wish lists this way. You can create lists of your favorite products that you just want to be able to reorder very easily. You know, maybe you have a list started for a friend you want to get something for. And then of course we've got our sales and specials, so you can go to that area as well and check out stuff there. This is our clearance rack, actually, if there's anything on clearance that you want to grab. So really straightforward, really simple, looks a little different. I would just make sure that you're logging in appropriately and you're shopping with the correct demonstrator. I would hate for you to place an order with somebody else and miss out on the goodies that I have for the month of August. So make sure that you're just double checking that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you navigate the brand new Stampin' Up! Website a little bit easier. I think the new store is gorgeous. And I'm really excited about, you know, using it and having customers use it. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.